Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qala al-mu'allifu rahimahullahu ta'ala wa nafa'ana bihi wa bi'ulumihi fid dharaini amin rabbi yassiru a'in. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Faslun, new chapter or new section. So guys, before we are going to be learning in this time or learning about jurisprudence of law in Islam or fiqh, because in this moment we are still celebrating Idul Fitri moment. So that why I just want to say from my deepest heart, happy Eid Mubarak. Let's forgive and let's forget. And now we are going to be learning again about jurisprudence of law or fiqh. And the chapter which is going to be learning in this time is telling us about tayammum or ritual purify by using the sand or by using the dust. In other words, or when the water is absent. So let's get starting. Faslun, new chapter or new sections. Asbabut tayammumi salasatun, faktul ma wal marot ila akhirih. Asbabut tayammumi, some of reasons why tayammum is done. Asbabut tayammumi, some of reasons why tayammum is done. Salasatun is determined by three things, or they are should be divided by three things. So what are they? Fakdul ma'i wal marot wal ikhtiyaju ilahi. Faktul ma, no water at all. The first is faktul ma, no water at all. It means you cannot find some of water that for using ritual ablutions. So that why in this condition is permitted for tayammum, right? When you are faktul ma on, or when you are cannot finding the water for ritual ablutions. And then number two, wal marodu and marot, or having sick. Wal marot can means you can also using tayammum as a substitutions for ritual ablution when your condition in sick, right? Wal ikhtiyaju ilaihi, and you need to use this water actually. Wal ikhtiyaju ilahi, and you need to use this water actually, but li'atsi hayawanin muhtaromin, but you need to use this water, but because of you wanna give the drinking some of animal which is lofty. Muhtaromin can means kind of animal which is lofty. Lofty can means not a wild animal, right? And then wa ghairul muhtaromi, and in additions, wa ghairul muhtaromi, and in additions of animal which is not be lofty. This is can means wild animal. Sittatun, they are should be divided by six things. What are they? First is tarikus solah. So exactly tarikus solah is categories from ghairul muhtarom, right? Just be careful. Tarikus solah, first is tarikus solah. Tarikus solah can mean someone who leaves five things obligation of praying, starting from zuhur, asar, maghrib, isya, etc. The first thing or the first reasons. And then number two, wazani al-muhson. Wazani al-muhson, the one who have, or zani muhson can means the one who is having sex outside of marriage. Wazani muhson can means the one who is having sex outside of marriage. Muhson also can mean exactly the person which is doing this activity. Doing this activity can means doing this sex with the other person who are actually having marriage with the other persons. This is actually called by zanil muhson. And then number three, wal murtadu and murtad, or apostate. Murtad can means apostate. And then wal kafiru and non-Muslim. Murtad and non-Muslim, both of them are categories from ghairul muhtaram, or in additions of animal which is not be lofty. And then what is the next? Al-harbiyu wal kafiru al-harbiyu, non-Muslim who are hostile, the other Muslim, right? Wal kalbu, and then the dog, al-akuru, the be fierce, or the dog is wild, or the dog which is forcing a human being. This is actually also categories wairul muhtaram, or animal which is not be lofty. And then the last, wal khinziru and khinzir, or cupatkai. You can call it this one. Khinzir can means cupatkai or pig, right? So actually this is the classifications from requirements or the reasons why you have to be using the sand as for substitutions for ritual ablutions, right? Faslun syurutu tayamumi wa alam bisawab.